black pepper red spinach omelette. One of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the black pepper recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the pepper recipes and one of the most delicious of the omelette recipes and one of the most unique of the egg recipes and one of the most delicious of the red spinach recipes and one of the most different of the spinach recipes and one of the most unique of the egg recipes. We are going to make red spinach black pepper omelette or black pepper red spinach omelette. We've taken 3 to 4 sprigs of red spinach and taken off the leaves and cut into small pieces. The ingredients are 2 eggs, 2 tomatoes cut into small pieces, 15 grams of garlic, around 20 to 30 shallots cut into small pieces, 15 grams of ginger. Now break in 2 eggs, into the bowl. Mix the yellow and the white portion of the eggs together. Cover the mix. Cover the mix. The eggs. Now put in the tomato pieces. Mix in the tomato pieces and crush. Crush the tomato pieces while mixing. Now put in the ginger pieces. Mix in the ginger pieces with the tomato. Thoroughly mix in. And while mixing, crush the tomato pieces further. Mix until it's frothy. Now put in the garlic pieces. Thoroughly mix. Thoroughly mix and crush all the ingredients together. Keep on mixing and crush the ginger, garlic and the tomato. shallots. Mix in the shallots with the rest of the mixture. Thoroughly mix and crush all the ingredients together. Now put in salt to taste. Mix in the salt. Crush all the ingredients together. Put in 2 spoons of black pepper. Mix in the black pepper with the rest of the mixture. Thoroughly mix the black pepper. Put in the red spinach into the omelette. Mix thoroughly. Thoroughly mix. Heat the pan and pour in 10 ml of oil. Let the oil get heated. After spreading the oil in the pan, pour in the egg mixture into the pan. Spread it out. And let it fry. Put it in medium heat and let it fry further. Now turn it over and let it fry further. For around 1 to 2 minutes. potato. Now the black pepper red spinach omelette is ready. Can be taken off the flame and served. This is the final black pepper red spinach omelette. One of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the egg recipes and one of the most unique of the omelette recipes and one of the most delicious of the black pepper recipes and one of the most unique of the red spinach recipes and one of the most different of the spinach recipes, one of the most easiest to make of the breakfast recipes. If you like the video, please like, share, comment, subscribe and press the notification button.